Are you a busy professional with no time to follow the stock market daily but still want to build wealth? You're not alone. Many high-income earners face the same dilemma. In today's video, I'll show you the best low-effort investment strategies that require minimal time but can lead to long-term wealth growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Passive Investor. If you're a busy professional juggling work, life, and everything in between, the idea of spending hours a week tracking investments probably feels overwhelming, right? But here's the thing. Investing doesn't have to be time-consuming or complex. In fact, the best investment strategies are often the ones that you can set up and let grow in the background, all while you continue focusing on your career and your life. In today's video, we'll discuss low-effort investment strategies that can build wealth over time, even if you're not glued to the markets 24/7. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to grow your wealth with minimal effort. So let's dive in. Why low-effort investments are ideal for busy professionals. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly discuss why low-effort investments are so important for busy professionals like you. If you have a demanding job, family obligations, or other commitments, it's realistic to assume you won't have the time or interest to research stocks every day or trade actively. That's where low-effort investments shine. The right strategies allow you to benefit from market growth without having to be actively involved. These strategies are perfect for individuals who want to build wealth over time but don't have hours to dedicate to managing their portfolios. Plus, low-effort investments typically minimize emotional decisions, something that can happen when you're too hands-on with the market. By adopting a long-term approach, you're giving your investments the chance to grow without getting distracted by short-term fluctuations. So let's talk about the best low-effort investment strategies that fit into your busy life. 1. Index funds, the set-it-and-forget-it investment. One of the easiest and most effective ways to invest without constant monitoring is through index funds. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. What are index funds? An index fund aims to replicate the performance of an index, which is a collection of stocks representing a particular sector, industry, or market. For example, the S&P 500 includes 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. By investing in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially investing in a broad collection of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and more. Why they're perfect for busy professionals. Index funds are low effort because they don't require active management. You don't have to pick individual stocks or worry about market timing. Instead, you're investing in a wide variety of companies, which helps diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Here's an example. Let's say you invest $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund. Over time, your investment will rise and fall with the market, but you don't have to worry about the day-to-day fluctuations. You can just let your money work for you, compounding over time. Benefits: diversification. You own a slice of many companies, which reduces individual stock risk. Lower fees. Index funds generally have lower fees than actively managed funds because they simply track an index instead of employing fund managers to select stocks. Historical growth. The stock market tends to increase over time, and index funds reflect that growth. Risks. Market risk. While index funds are diversified, they're still exposed to market downturns. No outperformance. Because index funds mirror the market, they won't outperform it either, but that's okay. It's about consistent, steady growth over time. 2. Target date funds, the all-in-one solution. If you're someone who wants a completely hands-off approach to investing but still wants a diversified portfolio, target date funds are a fantastic choice. What are target date funds? A target date fund is a type of mutual fund designed to grow assets for a particular retirement date. When you invest in a target date fund, you choose a fund based on the year you plan to retire, say 2050. The fund's manager automatically adjusts the mix of investments over time to become more conservative as you approach retirement. Why they're perfect for busy professionals. Target date funds are essentially the set-it-and-forget-it option in the world of investing. All you have to do is choose the fund that matches your retirement target year, and the fund does all the work for you. The fund will gradually shift from higher-risk investments like stocks to lower-risk investments like bonds as your retirement date nears. Example, let's say you're 30 years old and plan to retire at 65. You can invest in a target date fund that targets 2055. Initially, this fund will have a larger percentage in stocks for growth, and over time, it will gradually shift towards bonds to preserve your wealth as you approach retirement. Benefits: automatic adjustments. The fund rebalances itself over time based on your retirement date. Diversification. Your investment is spread across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, etc. Low effort. Once you choose your fund, you don't need to do anything else. Risks. Fees. Some target date funds can have higher fees than index funds, so it's important to compare options. Not tailored to your needs. If you want more control over your asset allocation, a target date fund might not be the best choice. 3. Dividend stocks. Earning while you sleep. Investing in dividend stocks is another way to build wealth without having to check the markets constantly. What are dividend stocks? Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay a portion of their earnings back to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide a consistent source of income, which can be reinvested or spent as needed. Why they're perfect for busy professionals. Dividend stocks offer a relatively low-effort way to earn passive income. By investing in stable, well-established companies that pay regular dividends, you can start earning income without needing to sell your stocks. Over time, you can reinvest those dividends to purchase more shares, benefiting from compounding growth. Example, imagine you invest in a company like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble, both known for their stable dividend payments. Over time, you receive quarterly dividends, which you can either pocket or reinvest to buy more shares, increasing your earnings. Benefits: regular income. Dividend stocks provide a stream of income which is great for building wealth passively. Compounding. Reinvesting dividends allows you to compound your returns over time. Less volatility. Dividend-paying companies are often more stable and less prone to wild market fluctuations. Risks. Market risk. Like any stock, dividend stocks can still lose value. Dividend cuts. Companies may reduce or eliminate dividends in tough times, which could affect your income. 4. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Invest in real estate. Without the hassle, real estate is another great low-effort investment strategy, especially if you don't want the responsibility of owning and managing physical properties. That's where REITs come in. What are REITs? A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances real estate that produces income. Instead of buying property yourself, you can invest in REITs, which are traded on the stock exchange like regular stocks. Why they're perfect for busy professionals, REITs offer the benefits of real estate investing, like potential for income and property value growth without the need to deal with tenants, maintenance, or property management. Plus, they're relatively liquid, meaning you can buy and sell shares easily. Example, let's say you invest in a REIT that owns office buildings, apartment complexes, and shopping centers. As the properties generate rent, the REIT distributes a portion of that income to its shareholders in the form of dividends. This gives you exposure to real estate without the time or effort of managing properties yourself. Benefits: diversification. Real estate can provide diversification outside of the stock market. Steady income. REITs typically pay out most of their earnings as dividends. No property management. You get the benefits of real estate investing without the headaches. Risks: market risk. REITs are still affected by market downturns, especially in the real estate sector. Interest rate risk. REITs can be sensitive to changes in interest rates, which may affect their performance. 5. Automated investment services, robo-advisors. If you like the idea of investing but don't want to manage your portfolio yourself, robo-advisors are a fantastic option. What are robo-advisors? A robo-advisor is an automated investment platform that uses algorithms to manage your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. You answer a few questions about your financial situation and preferences, and the robo-advisor will create and manage a diversified portfolio for you, automatically rebalancing it as needed. Why they're perfect for busy professionals. Robo-advisors are incredibly convenient because they do all the work for you. They're ideal for people who want to invest but don't have the time or expertise to build and maintain a portfolio. All you need to do is set up your account, and the robo-advisor will handle the rest. Example: let's say you sign up for a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. Based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, the algorithm will automatically allocate your money across a variety of investments, like index funds and bonds, and rebalance the portfolio over time to keep it in line with your goals. Benefits: low fees. Robo-advisors typically charge lower fees than human financial advisors. Hands-off. Once you set up your account, the robo-advisor does everything. Personalization. The robo-advisor tailors the investment strategy to your specific goals. Risks. Limited human interaction. If you want a more personalized approach or have unique financial needs, robo-advisors may not be the best choice. Algorithm dependence. The performance of your portfolio is dependent on the algorithms used, which may not always align with market conditions. So there you have it. 5 low-effort investment strategies that busy professionals can implement to build wealth without spending hours managing their portfolios. Whether you go with index funds, target date funds, dividend stocks, REITs, or robo-advisors, the key is consistency and a long-term perspective. Building wealth doesn't require you to be glued to the market every day. By investing in simple, low-effort strategies, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income and long-term growth, all while focusing on your career and life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Keep learning and investing smartly, because the best time to start building wealth was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.